How to make an online store for free. Simple Shopify tutorial for newbies. Shopify is one of the easiest to use e-commerce website builders in the world. However, if you are new to Shopify or build a website from scratch, there is a learning curve. Today we offer a complete step-by-step Shopify tutorial for beginners. At the end of this video, you will set up your own Shopify store and get your product and everything done. Let's get started. 1. Plan your store without opening your computer. Note: reservations are not part of the time it takes to set up your store. This is actually the most time-consuming part, so you can go through the actual setup process. 2. Choose a store name. The store name matters. It's your brand, the soul of business, or something like that. Tips for choosing a name for your store. Keep it short and concise, less than 12 characters if possible. Remember and make spelling easier. It should be original, don't copy other brand names. Serious. Keep in mind the products offered, present and future. Let's say you sell matcha tea. Does Simply Matcha sound like a big name? It's short, easy to spell, memorable and quirky. What happens when you start selling different kinds of tea? Your brand name suddenly limits you. I'm not saying you can't have a name like this. If you use a name like this, you can sell matcha in 5 to 10 years. You can change the name at any time, but this is not an easy process. Note: this is just a tip. You can throw it in the wind and have a longer or crazier name. I'm using a matcha made in heaven as a test point and I don't follow the less than 12 characters rule. So get creative. Now you need to register your domain name so you can open your laptop. Domain name registration. The domain name is the name that customers enter into the browser's URL bar to visit your store, www.yourdomain.com. In most cases, your domain name should be your store name. You can register your domain name through Shopify, the easiest way and the one I recommend, or you can register through a third party like Namecheap. 3. Create a Shopify account. Access www.shopify.com/signup to start your 14-day free trial. I will leave the link on the description below. Enter your email address, name, and store name. You can change the store name later if necessary. Next, enter your name and email address. If you created a company, use the company address. Otherwise, use an individual's address. Click on Create Your Store and you are ready to go. 4. Choose a Shopify theme to customize. There are a lot of clickable options or stuff right now. Don't worry, I cover most of it in these videos. The only thing you need to think about right now is the theme of your store. A theme is the design of a pre-built website, and you can add it to your repository to give it a nice look without writing any code. There are tons of themes that you can choose. Some are better than others. Many third-party developers create usable themes that aren't in the Shopify theme store. To change the theme of the store, click Online Store the theme and click the Access Theme Store button. You will be taken to the Shopify theme store with free and paid themes. A. Start. Like Minimal, Start is a clean and modern theme. Suitable for a la carte stores and stores with a small number of products. It's flexible, fast, responsive, and everything is good. B. Symmetry. If you have a lot of products to brag about, the symmetric theme is great. Easily view many collections and items. To customize the theme. Once you choose a theme, let's customize it to your choice. To customize the theme, go back to Online Store, Themes and click the blue Customize button. Make sure your custom theme is selected from the theme store. 5. Optimize your storage settings. Shopify's default settings are good, but there are a few things you need to add and change to get the most out of your new store. Let's look step by step. Start by clicking the Settings button in the lower left corner of the dashboard. General Settings. Here you can change your store name, email address, store address, and more. If you have changed your store name after signing up, please update now. Your email account is your Shopify account. E-customer mail is the email address to which the customer will be contacted. Always don't forget to click Save. Please watch this next video to learn more. Thank you for watching. Please do like and share this video.